Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make off an SWA gland. I'm using a CW20 gland. Looks just like this. With a 4mm piece of SWA cable for eCore. Start off by taking the gland apart. Slide this piece over. I like to keep things neat. So I'm just marking whereabouts I'm going to take my armors off. I'm cutting about halfway through the armors, not all the way through. It's not necessary. Next, I'll just take my tape back off. Then remove my outer sheath. You can see there, I've just gone about halfway through the armors. Make sure you're wearing glasses for this so you don't poke yourself in the eye. Just with a few at a time. Just bend them back on themselves. Next, we need to know how much outer sheath to remove. So we want double this part. Around about there. When you put this ring on, make sure that the thicker side goes down back towards the other nut fitting. Next, just cut the outer sheath. Now, to make it easier to get this piece on, just give the cable a wiggle like that, just to open up the steel armors. And slide this down. You can tighten it up. I'm just using a set of old pipe grips and an adjustable spanner. Just give it a tug. It's going nowhere. Then just tighten up your seal at the bottom. Just make sure wherever you put in this that you don't cut the insulation right up against the brass. Leave a small gap. Cut around.